Okay, so this is our forked unit. This is zone 1 with our radio telemetry load cell system. It's very accurate. So we plug in our airline, and our airline powers the hydraulic system. So I'll demonstrate now. We press the operate button. Now on the unit here, we have our telemetry unit. This can be handheld. You can take it away from the unit, or you can store it in this bracket. So what we'll do is we'll go and pick up this IBC, which is full of water, release our brake at the back, wheel the forks into the fork pockets, put our brakes on. Important to make sure the forks are set in a nice wide position to support the IBC. I can see now here we're fully engaged within the IBC. I press my operate button. Now, when it's fully raised or in any position, what we advise doing then is we press the tar function on here, and this zeroes the display. And then when we're ready to dispense the liquid, we're going to open the tap. We just tip to the minus, say minus 50 kilos, or whatever you need for the particular mix. The system is very safe. We can remove the airline when it's lifted, so I'll show you this now. This is the airline removed from the unit, so it's hydraulically locked now. And this means we cannot operate any of the systems, so lift or lower, we can't operate without the airline being connected. This is the handheld display, and this is on the stacker unit, so you can take this off, or you can leave it on the unit so you can monitor it. We have a tar function, so we press this to zero the display, so we can tip from a minus. Here is the computer linked to the base station. And the base station receiver goes into a safe area, say a control room, and is connected to the master control system, so we can monitor this. We have multiple of these for different units. So what we'll do now is we'll start tipping some of the liquid into this drum so you can see how the display behaves. So there we go, now the liquid just settling down. You'd always get the liquid moving around slightly in the drum and take a little time for that liquid just to settle as it dispenses. We can see here on this one, so we've tipped into the vessel minus 52 kilo.